And I love old men and they love me too. Hi guys, my name is Regina Gadi. I'm a makeup artist and my brand name is Daily Dose Colors. In this video, I'll be talking about myself, just a brief, intro about myself so you get to know me, so we connect. I'm so excited about this video. This is my first video on YouTube and I hope that you guys enjoy this channel. It's going to be about beauty, of course. I'll do a bit of vlogging, a bit of do-it-yourself, stuff. Yeah, and so many other things. Really, I don't want to like streamline it just yet. I'll just watch how you guys react to this channel, react to the videos that I'll be posting. So I hope you stay till the end of this particular video, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and please support your girl. Thank you. So let's get into it. So I'm from Benue State, Nigeria, but I was born in Kaduna State, Nigeria, but I live in Lagos State, Nigeria. I schooled in Benue State University. I studied chemistry education, but look where we are today. So I never knew I was going to be a makeup artist. I mean, it wasn't even a thing then, Yeah, I was selling makeup products while I was in uni, but I never thought of it. I wanted to work with Guinness, and all those big companies. Yeah, but so my first makeup education was with Bedazzled Makeup Academy. This beauty school is in Kaduna State, still in Kaduna. That's like the best thing that happened to my career. Shout out to you, Uchu. Since then, and this was in 2010, but after that I went for service. I worked, did all of that here and there, but started makeup fully in 2015. What has kept me thus far is, the satisfaction that my clients derive after I've done their makeup. In fact, I find it difficult to wear makeup myself, but you see, when I work on others, it's like, you know what I mean? So I just love what I do. I'm excited about the career path that I've chosen. Just to make it a bit fun, I'll just talk about a few fun facts about me. Yeah. So number one, I have a soft spot for two categories of people. Number one, toddlers. I love toddlers. I love naughty toddlers. Yeah, the rubbish they say gives me joy. I have no idea, I don't know why, but I find joy. And I love old men and they love me too. I don't know why. I just love them in church, around, neighborhood, everywhere I go. There's this old dad. I always have a daddy around. I have so many daddies. I don't know why. I just have a sentimental attachment because I love my dad so much. So if you take me to your grandpa, there's a high probability that I'll snatch him from you. You know what I mean? Okay, so another thing about me is, this is not embarrassing really, because I know many of us on this table. See, I am addicted to drinking Gary. Hi guys, hey fellow. If you know that you're on this table, drop a comment. It's not a crime. When you mix your Gary with milk and kulikuli or granite, my brother, my sister, see, for me that is a meal. I don't even have to look for any. I can plan. So if you are enjoying this video so far, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Another fact is I really wanted to become a surgeon. I want to become a doctor. My mom is a nurse, but life happened. Another fact about me is, see, I am very confident. Trust me, I am a confident person until you put me before a large crowd. Hey God, everything just drops. I can't explain it. I don't even know how to get over stage fright. Another thing that pulls down that confidence is my hairline. Believe it or not. See, don't even get it twisted. I'm not a vain person. But you see, my hairline gives me issues. Over the years, I realized that it was a condition called alopecia, and I didn't even realize that it's going to get worse until recently when I took the issue seriously. This thing started like 15 years ago. Don't worry, I'll show you guys. It's really bad, very bad. This somehow this braids just had a way of making it look like it's not too bad. Yeah, but I'm so happy that I'm finally ready to deal with it. And don't worry, I'll put you guys on the journey. I'll let you guys know what's up eventually. Yeah. So finally, on a lighter note, I get excited. See, the idea of food, available food, gets me excited. But I don't eat much. But you see, my friends, twist it. If you're not so close to me and you know me, you think I love food. My friends think I love food, but I just get excited about it. Oh my god, there's food. If you invite me to your house, I'll ask you, please, I hope you have food though. But I end up not eating much. Yeah, so these are just a few things about me. I know that later, when we get to know each other. If you're still here, then thank you. Thank you for sticking all the way to this point. Thank you for staying with me. I'm super excited. I'm just trying to remember so many things I thought I was going to say, but yeah, let's just leave it. I hope you subscribe and you like this video. Bye.